Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you are preparing for the CompTIA Cloud and certification exam and looking for the best online courses and practice tests to pass this exam, then you have come to the right place. In the past, I have shared the best online courses to pass various CompTIA certification courses like CompTIA A+, IT Fundamental, Linux Plus and Security Plus exam. But in this video, I am going to share the best CompTIA Cloud plus certification courses and practice tests to crack the CompTIA Cloud certification exam in this year. This course has been created by experts and trusted by thousands of developers who have been passed this in-demand exam, and you can also join them to prepare for the better CompTIA certification. But before diving in, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates regarding the new videos. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin with our first course, that is Total Cloud Computing CompTIA Cloud plus certification CV0 This course shows you the basic of cloud computing and how to deal with it, like configuring and managing, but it aimed to be for intermediate level, so it is required some previous knowledge in some industries such as IT in general, some previous experiences in server virtualizations, networking and so on. The main things that you will learn in this course is first the cloud storage, second how to secure cloud services, third some quizzes on the CompTIA Cloud plus certifications. The second on the list is CompTIA Cloud plus CV0 Bootcamp Get Certified. This course is a little bit intended to be for intermediate level who have some experiences in the IT industry in general, a solid understanding of VMware, experiences in some services such as software as a service. In this course, you will learn some cloud servicing, how to deployment works, how to work and secure cloud servicing. Throughout the course, you will experiment with some cloud services such as Amazon, AWS and Google Cloud, and you will see how the deployment works as well as configuring these services, troubleshooting, management, maintenance and how to secure them for more from the attackers. The third on the list is configuration and deployment for the cloud. This course on Plural site will teach you what you need to know about how to configure and deploy for the cloud, and it is aimed to be for the people who want to take CompTIA Cloud Plus certification with a deep dive into more technical stuff about the cloud. In this course, you will learn first configuring and deployment, second thing is virtualization and cloud architecture, the third is services and infrastructure migration. In this course, you will start from the basics such as solution assessment, the cloud component, then moves to more advanced stuff such as virtualization, cloud storage, protocol, networking, CPUs and memories. The fourth on the list is the security in the cloud. If you have some basic understanding in the security field and you want to enhance your skills in cloud security for the CompTIA Cloud Plus certification, then you have come to the right place. You will start with some basic about securities and the tools needed for this aspect. Next, you explore the technology of the virtualization, cloud deployment, security configuration, security automation, tools and techniques, and more about the security on the cloud. In this course, you will learn the virtualization technology, the security techniques, the security tools and configuration. So the last but not the least is the CompTIA Cloud Plus Advanced. This is the last course on our list, is for the peoples who have some understanding of cloud servicing and wants to enhance their skill to be at an advanced level in some topics such as security, controls, recovery and much more. In this course, you will learn advanced techniques in many aspects, security on data networking, recovering and testing tools. You will learn some testing techniques on the cloud such as testing connectivity in order to ensure availability, client experiences cybersecurity, network security, data security, access control, and much more. That's all about the best 5 CompTIA Cloud Plus certification courses and practice test. You can use these online courses and practice tests to prepare for the CompTIA Cloud. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like. If yes, so don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell icon to get more updates regarding the new videos.